Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day, and today it is AUR. So people ask, well, where did you see AUR in the first place? Well, it had news after hours, okay? Let me just check what the news was. This is to do with autonomous vehicles, okay? But we saw it pre-market, did my pre-market work, so I knew it was very active. And the other thing is that these are all-time highs. So what I said in the room, I said, listen, if this takes out this 1330 right there, because it popped up and then it came back down. This is a 15-minute chart. And when it popped up through 1330, I don't tell people to take trades. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. But I said, if this gets over that 1330 mark, I'm going to be very interested, wink, wink. So, of course, I took this trade. Look what it did, 1330. And before it pulled back, it got up to 1585. I took some off on that pullback, and then look at this, it got all the way up to 17. And then, I'm out of it. But later on in the day, this could still have some life. I mean, we don't know. Yeah, it's a fairly low float, I think. So anyway, that was certainly the trade of the day. One you might want to keep an eye on, and we're definitely going to be keeping an eye on this one later on. This is an IPO for today. It's called Snow Lake Resources, but it's to do with lithium. Of course, that's EV. And only, I think, 3.5 or 3.2 million shares issued. And the IPO price was about 750. So this is way above it. And not unlike what happened with SEV earlier in this week, when it came out at around 20 and got up to $50. I'm not saying that is what's going to happen with LITM, but it's in the right sector. So I'm going to be paying attention to this one later on in the day. Lots happening in the trading room, everybody. Lots of great traders, lots of great ideas all day long. Come on in, it's free. I'll open the room Monday morning at 9 o'clock. And plus, you'll also see in the email you're getting a promo code for 25% off. And that will be good until, I believe, the 28th, right, almost at the end of the month. So again, it's a free room. Come in. I'll be opening it Monday morning at 9 o'clock. Hope to see you then.